All right, my friends, good evening. We'll get started here in just a moment. Hope all of you are doing well. If you are new here, welcome. Consider subscribing, liking, and all that stuff. We're going to take a quick look at the brand new upgrade to the latest Linux Mint on this PC from around 2013. I did the in-place upgrade with the Linux Mint upgrade tool, followed the instructions, rebooted several times. I think it's going to work okay, but this is my first live test for the new Linux Mint. So we'll see how it works out. Alright, so looks like I have the latest OBS Studio. Let's do some transitions here. Alright, looks like that works. Let's go to display. 1 second. Alright, for those of you watching. Okay, so this is the Linux Mint. What is this? It's 10 o'clock. It's been a long day. This is Linux Mint XFCE. That's what it is. Die. Yeah, long day. But I wanted to do this out of curiosity. I didn't have to. The previous Linux Mint worked perfectly fine. At least it did for me. But this is more out of curiosity. So it's going to take a look at this. And hopefully it's going to look good on your end. We're in the green here. So, alright. This is, of course, this is Rome. This is not the home of Linux Mint. Haha. Alright, so I got my dad's music playing. If you like Italian music, you can check out the link below in the show notes. Let's see if this works. Okay, weather forecast looks good. Time and date. Alright, looks good here. Audio mixer. Alright, very good. Input volume. Where are we? Down here. Wouldn't this normally show a graph for the input microphone? I thought it did. I can't remember. Anyway, I'm not an expert on the XFCE desktop. I'm more into the Mate desktop. But that being said, let's move along. System is up to date. Notifications up here, of course. And let's see what we got here popping up. System reports. Yeah, I don't need all this. All right, let's get out of system checks. I think we're good. I don't think I need to run that. Some more shortcuts here. Notifications, of course, OBS Studio, Rhythm Box. I do have other web browsers such as Chromium and Brave here. Of course, you can right-click, panel. We can add new items. Those of you who have played with XFCE, this is not new to you. Let's see. Do I want to take a look at anything here? System load monitor. Take a look at that. Yeah, swap, CPU, memory, and all that. Okay. Let's, that takes up a lot of space. Let's remove. Okay, basic stuff. My shortcuts here for the YouTube, music, of course, OBS Studio. This is actually running rather zippy for an older PC. Let's right-click, terminal. I think I did, yeah, NeoFetch. Alright, give you an idea of what we have here. So Linux Mint 22. Let's see. CPU AMD A6 5200. This is from the Fred Flintstone era at 2 gigahertz. Nothing fancy, but that's the beauty of Linux, to keep an outdated machine still going. XFCE version 4.18. Don't know if that's the latest version or not, but it doesn't matter because everything seems to work perfectly fine. I used the screenshot tool to do this. The screenshot tool works beautifully. Alright, the file manager. Yeah, this is looking okay. I don't know if it's going to run any better than the previous version, but I guess time will tell. So, right click, this is the whisker menu. Alright, let's left click, see what we have here. Accessories, see if anything catches my eye. Warpinator is probably something I will never use. Let's go to graphics. Alright, nothing unusual there. Internet, the web apps run websites as if they were apps. Probably something I will not use. Some web browsers I have installed. Thunderbird, my favorite email client. Multimedia, I have a bunch installed here. Audacious, Audacity, Celluloid. Hypnonics, probably never going to use that. Pulse Audio, Volume Control, Rhythm Box, Simple Stream Recorder, SM Player, Sound Recorder, VLC. The quintessential media player for both Linux and Windows. Office, the ubiquitous LibreOffice Suite. If you don't know what ubiquitous means, look it up. Settings. Let's see, anything unusual here? No, I don't think so. It looks like the upgrade process didn't delete anything. At least I don't think so. Of course, you can customize the appearance, style, icons, fonts. I think I'll keep this the way it is for now. I think. Do I want to change it? Do I want to change it? Nah, leave it the way. I'm scared if I change it, it might break something. Okay, let's see. Let's go to System. And take a quick look at the Software Manager. Loading. And there you go. Of course, FlatHub, Flatpak support enabled by default. I guess a lot of these are going to be Flatpaks. Yeah. Let's try, just take a quick look at this sound and video. Audacious, Simple Screen Recorder. Okay. If I click Audacity, and this will not be a Flatpak, a system package, as you see here. So overall, of course, I already have this installed, but overall, I'd have to say this is running just as good as the previous version. If your previous version is running perfectly fine, I don't see any particular reason to install this. I just did it out of curiosity. And this is my test machine, meaning if something broke, didn't care. I wouldn't care to go back to my Chromebook or my other Dell PC or Windows 11 for that matter. But this appears to be an excellent upgrade so far for Linux Mint. I'm running the new sticker. So overall, I think it looks good, guys. What do you think? Yeah. All right. Give me a second here. All right, so what I'll do here, let me see if anybody's in the chat. If not, then I guess we can wrap this up for this evening. I wasn't really planning this, but the upgrade process did not take as long. So I was pleasantly surprised. All right, is there anybody in the chat that would like to say hello? If not, I'll just call it a night. All right, nobody in the chat, so we'll just wrap this up. So my conclusion to all this, yeah, I don't think Linux Mint has really ever made me mad like Ubuntu did. And the best part of the upgrade, I still had sound. Yay! Unlike Ubuntu, which gave me the sound menu that said dummy output. Thank you, Ubuntu, for nothing. Anyway, yeah. A solid upgrade, at least for this Gateway PC, which is no longer in business. I forget who bought out Gateway. Do you guys remember who bought out Gateway? I can't remember. Well, it's been a while. Anyway, that's it for this one. I will hopefully catch you guys on the next one. What time is it? It's 10:12 p.m. here. It's been a long day. I think I'll wrap this up. But so far, Linux Mint continues to perform right up there with my top 3 top Linux, along with Zorn OS and Chrome OS. Superb, excellent, reliable Linux OSs. Alright guys, that's all I have for this one. Yeah, hopefully catch you on the next one. Ciao.